In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to Epic Games. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up the connection between your Epic Games account for Nintendo Switch. So all that you have to do is visit the official Fortnite website. This process must be done through the website, so you cannot do it inside of the game. All that you have to do is go over to Fortnite.com through a web browser on your computer, a laptop, or your phone. Once you arrive at this page, just sign into the Epic Games account where you will be establishing this connection, and then click on your name at the top right corner of the screen. Now, among the options that appear on this drop-down menu, go to Connect Accounts. You will be redirected into a page where you can manage all of the account connections that have been established. And of course, all that you have to do is link your Nintendo account. So you will find Nintendo account at the bottom and you choose the option to connect. Now, sadly, I already have an account linked, so I won't be able to demonstrate this process in full, but it's as simple as clicking the option to connect. You will then be able to confirm your email address, so double check it here, and if it is okay, choose the option to connect the account, and by choosing this, you will be redirected into the Nintendo website where you can finish setting up this connection. With the Nintendo account connected, if you go to the Switch, you download Fortnite, when you open it up and you sign into these Epic Games accounts, with the link established, you will see all of your progress transferred over. So all of the skins, you will be able to access everything, and your progress will be available between PC and Nintendo Switch. And of course, you can connect any other account that you wish. So if you also play on Xbox or PlayStation, connect them here and you will be good to go. You can remove the connection later if you already have one, but there will be a cooldown before you can link another one, so keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect a Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to Epic Games. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.